Hi guys, Wendy here from Draw So Cute. In this video we're going to draw and color Puppycorn from Unikitty. So let's get started. With Puppycorn we're going to first start by drawing the top of its head. So right here I'm going to be basically drawing a straight line. Say about that long. And then from there I'm going to draw one ear. So right here I'm going to cut it off with a curve that comes down. Say about that much. And I'm going to come back up. So we're going to create kind of this V shape right here, this triangular ear. So I'm just kind of matching it to this side right here because I need to connect it with a curve. So if you're more comfortable drawing this shape first and then drawing this line, you can do that too. So basically you just want to have this ear in, and from there we're going to come in here and give this ear some dimension. So I'm going to come straight down with a line right here, about that long, and I'm going to follow my curve and then bring it in right here and connect it. So then from there we're going to draw the other ear. So where I ended right here with this line, so this is the top of the head, but right here I'm going to draw an angle line down. So a slight curve to it, very slight. And I'm going to basically use this as my guide. I'm going to come straight across from where I ended this ear so that I know that's about how low I want the other ear to go. So I'm just going to end it about right there. And from there I'm going to go up right here with a line. So basically I'm going to match that part right here. And then I'm going to continue this line down following this curve. And so then from there, let's connect this right here. I'm just going to go in and connect it. And from there, I'm going to come in here and just draw a curve to create this ear on this side. So there, we got the two ears in. So then now let's draw the rectangular face. So I'm going to come in here, let's see, about right here. Let's give myself a point, and I'm going to bring a line down. So a slight curve to it. So it's just like Unikitty. It's not a very straight rectangle. It has a slight curve to it. So about right here, I'm going to do the same thing. Just a slight curve. Oops. So ending about the same area. Let's see, about right there. And then I'm going to connect it once again with a slight curve. And back up. Now that we have the basic head shape in, let's come back in here, and I'm going to come out once again and draw another curve following this curve to give the head some dimension. So I'm just going to come down, and then about right here I'm just going to angle it in to connect it. So giving this head some dimension, and from there let's come up here in the center and we're going to draw two angle lines. So this is what holds the horn for this puppy unicorn named Puppycorn. So then from there, let's go up to the center, say about that high, and give myself a little point. And from there, I'm going to bring an angle line all the way down, and same thing over here. So then about right there, I'm going to zigzag it in. So we're going to bring a little angle in and then back out. And in. It has a little break in the horn, so I'm going to come in here and just going to draw two angle lines for some details. And so from there, let's finally bring this Puppycorn to life. So in the center of this rectangle here, I'm going to draw an oval. So this is going to be the snout area. So I'm just going to come in here and draw a little oval and connect it. And from there, let's come inside right here and draw the little nose. So it's just a little curve, and then connect it with a little V. Bring down from the center a curve, and then we're just going to connect it with this wide smile and go back up. And then just cap it off. And then right in this corner right here, you're going to tuck in a little tooth. So then from there, we're going to draw this huge circle that comes out. So I'm going to start about right here. So we're going to come up and draw this really big circle. So it's going to kind of touch the ear a little bit. So just come down and go back all the way. So same thing on this side. I'm going to start about right here. So this is going to cut in to about right here and go up. So I'm just going to kind of gauge across about right there and go all the way to the edge once again and back. So there, I got the other circle. Now another one, just like Unikitty. We're going to come in here and draw another circle. And so same thing over here. So about that high. For another circle. There. Now to make them draw so cute eyes. 2 more circles and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. We still have 2 more circles to go for the other eye, and then we're done with circles, I think. Actually, no, I think there's still a circle for the tail. So if you guys love Unikitty, please make sure to check out my Unikitty drawing that I just posted up. And I knew since you guys love Unikitty, you would want to have me draw Puppycorn too. So hopefully you guys love this one just as much. So curve line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. There. And this one's a little bit higher up. So draw so cute eyes are so easy to fix because you can just make them smaller. See, just like the other one. Okay, so then let's come back up here. We're going to draw the brow. So we're going to come in here and draw a little curve, and we're going to thicken it up. So just come in here and thicken up this brow area, and I'm just going to come in here and shade it in black. And let's do the same thing on this side. So once again, just a curve right over the eye, connect it and shade it in. Okay, so now we're basically going to draw a curve about right here where the eye is. So it kind of separates the top and bottom of the eye. So it's basically, it goes around kind of like that and comes around here. And then we're going to connect this line right here over. And there's some freckles right here, so I'll do that when I color it because I think the marker is too dark since it's not black freckles. They're brown, light brown freckles. Okay, so now to draw the body. I'm going to come about right here in the center, a little bit off center, and I'm going to draw 2 lines for the neck, the collar of this little dog, Puppycorn. And from there, I'm going to add a little line right under. And from there, I'm going to bring it down. And bring this part down. So about right here, we're going to start to bring it down. So you're basically just drawing this curve. And let's see, let's bring it down a little bit more, say about right there. And we're going to come across and draw a line. So about this thick. So about where the neck is right here, and then we're going to go up all the way. Draw this upside down U and bring it down. So let's bring this down and connect it. Once again, straight line. And we're going to come in here for the inside. Just draw a curve. And once again, connect this straight across. So now for this side, we're going to basically bring in a curve that comes down. So this part right here will be thicker. So we're just going to aim to come about right there and down. Okay, so now to draw the two lines right here, this gives it some color on the bottom. So right across. And right here, we're going to draw two small circles inside for the collar, the spike collar, and two angles that come out right here, two spikes. And one more circle, like I said, for the tail. So about right here, I'm going to pop out a curve. Imagine it going around, so say about right there. And bring it back in. And I think that is pretty much it for this cute little puppycorn. Now to color it with some color pencils. So there, Puppycorn all drawn and colored. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.